Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we will tackle about the definition, benefits, and etiquette of dance. But before I will start, I will introduce myself. My name is Sarah A. Villamor from 1ED, Field 2A. So let's begin the discussion. First, what is the definition of dance? Dance is a movement of the body in a rhythmic way, usually to music and within a given space, for the purpose of expressing your emotions and feelings. Dance is a series of steps that have a rhythm and pattern. So next, what are the benefits of dance? There are more benefits of dance, but I will give you 5 examples. First, it can improve your condition of your heart and lungs. Next, increase aerobic fitness. Third, improve muscle tone and strength. Fourth, you can be physically fit in doing a dance. And last, it can boost your immune system. And the last topic that I will discuss is the etiquette of dance. There are more etiquette of dance, but I will give you 5 examples, or I think 6 only. So let's begin. The etiquette of dance are the following. First, you will introduce yourself to the dance group. And next, thank you and please is always spoke. Third, always wear a proper attire in performing a dance. And last, you will always need to be kind and polite. And lastly, don't drink or use any drugs before on doing a dance. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice